Hi, I hope you are well. I'm Mr. Rajib, a professional web developer and WordPress expert. Welcome to my another tutorial video. Today I will show how we can create a contract form with Elementor page builder and how we can connect the email with the form. So let's start. So I'm on the dashboard, WordPress dashboard. I have created a page for testing. I mean, for the video purpose. So this is the page, tutorial page. So I am opening this page with Elementor. So I am clicking on here, edit with Elementor. Okay, I am on the edit panel. So I'm creating a section. Just adding some margin padding. Sorry. Okay. So what would be the title? Just contract form. I'm just giving some. Okay. Okay. So let's get the contract form. This is the form, Elementor form. So I'm just hiding the label. So I'm just adding some common field here, name, and I'm adding another one, telephone. So phone, sorry. Label is phone. Okay. And I can add another one like subject. Okay. So email, first name, last name. I'm just adding another one here. So this would be last name, and this would be the first name. Okay. So I'm giving this 50%, and this is the 50%. Actually, I'm just showing how we can connect the email option with this. So to do that, we have to follow some professional way. So like this is the first name. I can go to the advanced and I can make it unique like first name. So first name, and the second one is last name. So don't use any space between word, and the phone is just phone. You can keep anything here, but I am just doing this professionally. Subject, so I'm keeping subject, and make sure you are keeping this as email on the ID also. Um, make sure all of the field name is are unique. So I'm showing why we should do that. So go to the email option and you will see this is the two. So we will keep here the email, I mean admin email, where the form that I will go. So I'm keeping a email address here. Just go to here and I'm keeping here. And what would be the subject? You can type anything, like we can just keep the the business name or company name, but we will do it dynamically. How we can do that? So as if the subject field on the their form field, then we can do the dynamic. If the subject field have no on this form field, then we can do that. Just keep that custom, like we can type here anything, just new message form, just a company name. What would be the company tutorials, like any company name. And if we need to do dynamically, what we should do, just go to the form field and take the shortcuts. This is the name, I mean shortcuts. So go to the email and keep it here. Okay, this is the I mean shortcut. And what should have there? From email, keep it as usual here. And from email, what should do that? We should keep this from this, like email. Just take the shortcut and keep it here. Okay. What should the form name? What should be the form name? So we should do that also. We can do that also dynamically. So keep the name, take the name shortcode. This is the first name, and go to there. So I'll show you how it will go to the email box. So first name, just first name, and we should use a space, between the name, as the visitor will fill out first name and last name. The email will get with the first name and the last name value on the email box. So a space, and take the last name shortcode. Okay, the last name. Make sure have the space here, and just keep it. Okay, first name and last name, and we can remove this tree. Also, the if you think it should remove, you can remove it, and you can save it. Also, I have to say something about this phone number. So make sure you have selected this one, telephone, because sometimes the visitor type plus, then country code, and then the phone number. So we should keep here telephone, not number, because if we keep the number, then we cannot type any plus or first bracket, anything here. So we should keep the tail here, and make sure you are keeping the email name on the ID, not capital, just the small letter. I think all are okay. We can keep the message also. So let's save it, update it, and let's see what happens. Okay, save it, and we should go to the front end and fill out it. Just MR number, just I'm typing some. Just subject, testing, email, message, testing on the website. Okay, submit it. Field number, etc. So we cannot type here any, just click on it, and it will show you the successful message, and go to the inbox. Let's see. You see there have the data. So click on it, and you will see here have the subject. Whatever we keep on the subject, as I have type here, subject name is testing, it's coming here testing, and this is the first name, and you see this is the name, Mr. Rajib. It's getting dynamically. Also, you see this form, and if you click on there, you will see there have the form replay to this came from the that field we have keep on the email field, this field, form field. And easily, if we keep there like that way dynamically, if you replay on there, it will get the user email. That's the benefit by connecting it dynamically. So I think it's okay. Yeah, you can try like this way and enjoy it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and please share with your friends. I appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.